So many hearts.
Hi, I'm Carol. I love rainbows. Everybody loves rainbows. Who doesn't? Everybody loves the different shades, the different colors, the different hues. It all makes it what it is, spectacular. So then, what exactly is our problem with differences in our human family? It is what makes us the fabulous, amazing human race that we are, with all our differences, with everything that we come to each other with. Whatever you come with is who you are. So could we just please let everybody else have the same space, the same possibility, the same ability to hope, dream, love, and live? I'm Carol, and I'm Jamaican. You're Jamaican. We're all Jamaicans.
And we fight, but tonight we're gonna be alright. We heard